Easy now, bring it up slow. Watch the cables. And there it is, the windshield pointed out. Now we can really see the extent of the damage. Getting the saturated carpet out is the first step. Look at the rust underneath, pretty. Now the center console finally out. Quite a bit of rust underneath, but we can start the assessment now that's on the bench. And that is the last piece of the interior. Finally, the rear panel is fully stripped down and ready for the next stage. Alright, with the final bolt out, we can now carefully pry the fender away and see the damage underneath. Alright, the rear quarter panel is next. We're using the impact wrench to get these rusted bolts off, and we finally see the extent of the damage underneath. Alright, the lower control bolt are completely seized. Let's see the impact wrench and break them free. Ah, finally. That one was really seized on there. Alright, let's get this heavy thing out of the way. With the hydraulic rail in place, we can finally take the weight off this corroded gearbox and start the extraction. We need to secure the engine and gearbox assembly tightly right at this junction before we lift it out. We're labeling the wiring harnesses and the gearbox housing itself to ensure we know exactly where everything goes during the assembly. After months of planning, we finally have the hook on V10 on the stand. It's rough, but this is where the real work begins. And there it is, the V10 intake is free. A lot of junk, but we're making progress. With the bolts finally loose, we can carefully pry off the covers and see what condition the internals are in. Looking closely at the valve train now. The orange crusting and the thick black sludge confirm the extensive water damage. And there we have it, the moment of truth for the V10's timing system. Looks like we might be in luck here. And with that, the cylinder head comes off. Look at the state of those pistons. It's going to take a lot of work. Okay, the last bolts are out. Let's see what we're dealing with. And there's no shake. Definitely looking at some serious water contamination here. Starting the gearbox tear down. Using the torque wrench to break the seal on these main casing bolts, then we can organize them. With the plug removed, the old gear oil starts to drain. The metallic particles here confirm the extent of the internal wear. Okay, there we go. That crack means the seal is broken. Let's get this cover off and see what we're dealing with. We're looking deep into the Huracan transmission now. The corrosion here is extensive, but these input shafts look salvageable. We're checking the piston diameter here, making sure it matches the spec sheet before we decide if we're going to use them. Comparing the measure values to the specifications. The clearance checks out. We have a solid foundation to work from. You can see the extent of the corrosion once we clear away the silt. This bearing is completely shot. We're checking the piston diameter here, making sure it matches the spec sheet before we decide if we're going to use them. Comparing the measure values to the specifications. The clearance checks out. We have a solid foundation to work from. You see the extent of the corrosion once we clear away the silt. This bearing is completely shot. Carefully lowering the main gears into the cleaning solution now. It's a slow process, but seeing the corrosion lift away is incredibly satisfying. We're slowly lifting the Huracan's part from the solution before transferring it to the oil bath. With the main bearings in place, the crankshaft is gently lowered into the block. Precision is everything here. With the bearing caps in place, we meticulously apply the correct torque sequence. Listen to the click. That's the sound of precision. Getting the timing components back in is always satisfying. We'll see the cams and then loosely install the caps before we set the timing. After weeks of meticulous cleaning, the Huracan's gearbox is finally ready for reassembly. With the seal applied, we torque the bolts down evenly, ensuring perfect seal on the gearbox housing. Now we carefully remove the caps one by one. Making sure to keep them in order is key to a smooth rebuild. After months underwater, we finally have the body secure. It's incredibly satisfying to see it here. Now the real work begins. A lot of sparks here, but the grinder is making quick work of that rough seam. Look how smooth that is. This spray primer is essential for getting that deep gloss layer. We're applying it evenly across the entire bodywork. We couldn't be happy with how this orange turned out. It's absolutely flawless, exactly what we were aiming for. With the chassis strip bare, we can finally assess the full extent of the damage and begin the rebuild. The disassembly phase is finally complete. We've stripped the Huracan down to its bare bones, ready for the next stage of the restoration. And that is it, locked right into place.
Beautifully done.
Installing brakes is always a satisfying step. It really feels like getting close to finishing. The hurricane truly begins to look whole again. The fit is factory fresh. Alright, the engine is fully primed with fresh oil. Now we finally move on to the one we've all been waiting for, the first start.